Hey, what's up? It's Sam from HiViz LEDs and the FireTech brand, and these are the FireTech MiniBrow Single Stack Trunnion Series fixtures. The FireTech MiniBrow Light Trunnion Series is a fixture designed to attach by its end caps on a trunnion mount, which allows for articulation for attachment both to a horizontal surface as well as a vertical surface, and then having the ability to adjust it once it's installed. Now, these fixtures are more susceptible to torsional deflection, which is why we typically use our rail mounting system, but on fixtures less than about 30 inches long, this trunnion mounting system works really well. So in these applications, we developed this fixture in white or black with the standard optical configurations that are available with all the MiniBrow lights, which is spot, flood, or a combination of spot and flood. And these particular fixtures are available in 9 LEDs, 12 LEDs, 18 LEDs, which is our most popular, and then the MiniBrow 24 LED with a wing-style trunnion mount end cap as well. For more information about the FireTech MiniBrow Trunnion Series, ask one of the FireTech team members for a demo.